What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to get your Passat lights from looking like this to this in a few short steps. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I see a lot of people online and on the Facebook pages saying that they want to put the old B5 lights on the B5.5, and there's not many like diagrams or instructions of how to do it. So this is why I'm doing it, just because I've already done it. I did it. This is like the first mod I actually did to my Passat, so I'm just going to show everyone what I did and how I did it. So if you want to do it. So first things first, I've already done this, so I'll walk you through what I did. But first thing is obviously to take these rear lights out. All right, so first thing you need to do, obviously I've already done this, as I said before, but there's 8 mils in each corners. So obviously you need to get them out, and there's 2 right at the back behind here, and then there's 2 that you can easily get to at the front. So it will be here, and there will be one somewhere down here, but obviously I don't have that because I've cut it out and to fit this. And then there's 2 at the back, and once that's out, you're gonna have to do a bit of cutting because the B5 estate lights don't fit in the B5.5, so you don't have to do a bit of modification, but it's very easy. You can either do it 2 ways. You can either cut it out, which is what I did, or you can use a hammer to bend the bracket back. I didn't want to bend it, I just wanted it gone and out of the way. So I'll show you what you need to do. So if you look here, there's meant to be a bracket here, obviously, like I said before. What I did was I just cut straight down. I'm pretty sure it come across here, and I just cut straight down and got rid of it basically. Or you can hit it with a hammer, and then, because obviously you'll have the room because this light won't be in the way, you can hit it with a hammer and bend it so it's not in your way. But I just wanted it gone, and I'm pretty sure it went across down there like that. It's somewhere around here. You just got to get rid of that bracket so this light can fit in, and you've got to do that for both sides. Obviously the old B5.5 ones, they have 4 bolt holes. These 2 are not in use anymore, so when you're reinstalling the B5 one, you're going to need a washer, because look, there's the old bolt, that's where it used to bolt into, and the B5 one bolts a bit further down. So what I did was just got a washer, or one of them heat shield clips, which is what I got, and just did that, and it's solid. It's not moving anywhere. Look, it doesn't rock or anything. Gives it a tight seal. So just bear in mind you don't need a washer to do that, because obviously it won't fit in there. And then you have got to repin the plug. To repin it was, I got obviously the plug. There's a couple of ways you can do it, but what I did was I just pushed my screwdriver into the connection that I wanted to pull out, and pulled it on the other end at the same time, and it popped out. You can damage it doing that way, but that's the only way I knew how to do it at the time. I've heard you can use a hair clip to get behind it. You can either buy the plug and from a B5 and wire it in that way, or you can repin the B5.5 plug, which is what I did. So if you're doing what I did, then this is the way you got to wire it. And then this is the wiring for the driver's side. Pause it if you need it. Obviously this red wire is nothing, that's just from a reverse camera, so ignore that. But the rest of it is pretty straightforward. And here's the wiring for the passenger side. No, sorry, yeah, passenger side. So if you follow that, pause it if you need it. That is what I have done for the wiring, and it works spot on. So it's pretty straightforward, as long as you get the wiring right and you just cut that or bend that bracket. It was pretty straightforward really. And the good thing about this is, if you did want to swap the lights back, you can. All you got to do is repin it back to how it was before. So make sure you take pictures of what you've done before you repin it. So if you do make a mistake, you can easily change it. It's not the end of the world. And if you've done it, you'll have something that looks a bit like this either side. Not fitment fits perfect, so you ain't got to worry. Not solid. And yeah, that's what it looks like with them on. I do prefer this to the B5.5s. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, please drop a like, give me a comment, let me know what you think. Do you like them? Do you not like them? And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.